Hello, this is your gentle farmer, Edu Abibio. So, a lot of people have been asking me questions. I want to go into poultry farming, but I don't know how to start. How do I start? One of the things you need to know if you want to start poultry farming is you need to speak to a professional. You need to speak to a consultant. Now, the advice from the consultant will give you an information on how to start, what to do. So, person started poultry juma. Your questions be or mutai bisa say, me patcho me nim baby a start free. Esa woni a obi a obi tufo. And your friend consultant. Obe boaw ama waye juma. Number 2, starting poultry farming is not all that rosy. There are challenges attached to it. There are a lot of things you will do. If you want to start and start well, consulting someone will reduce your risk of losing your capital. When a consultant ne kasano advice be reward the memo. Now, especially 50% of your cost of production goes into feeding. How do you feed your birds? Feeding eji usike nyina. Now, the type of feeding I saw so omwa below 4,000 or below 5,000. Better buy from company. But company so when the right company to choose, ben ton free company or beji all your capital. Now, but also this is a battery cage system. Like I say, I'll be talking about difference between the battery cage system and the depleter system. Now, battery cage system no, so ye more below 5,000. Epacho. Menye battery cage ubeboka ko depleter na ye ni nyina ejina management so enkuko yo mugu for menye onfe we ye broilers so depleter no manage ni ya unya mfaso since obey battery cage because battery cage no capital intensive emu adwuma enye all rosy hwe onse mu na wu ukofo dream say battery cage emu anwu hwe battery cage depleter wa manage ni ya omo abewu o person who more and o person ko details of these things contact me explaining things to you and then me person me say consulting someone will reduce the risk of losing your capital. So starting biara you end up biara poultry farm enye hu memo bia hu na hu now. So be start poultry farm ye wonyama kiti bi nso eso hu Mr. Adwuma na ede but kakra like ne follow for